All right, this is 4.5 part 1. I did the second part and forgot that I had another page of notes at the beginning. So this is just 4.5, the first part, and you're going to watch this one first. So this section is on solving polynomial functions. Again, the solutions are the zeros of the function. And we're going to go ahead and just start off with an example. I want to solve this function. And the first thing I'm going to do is look for a common factor. The common factor here would be 2x. When I factor out a 2x, I get x squared minus 6x plus 9. And as you know, that is a trinomial square. And that's how we factor a trinomial square. X equals 0, x equals 3. Well, I know that my function's going to have 3 zeros, right? Because it's a third degree polynomial function. But when you have two factors that are the same, we count those twice. Because that is where it's going to sit on the x-axis. This relative minimum right here that we talked about sits on the axis, so you have to count that as 2 zeros. When there's a factor that's counted twice, that point on the graph, it'll sit there, but it won't cross over. If there's only just one factor, it means it crosses over. So this is probably something you want to put in your notes. If x minus k is raised to an odd power, then the graph crosses the axis at k. So in other words, if one of your factors was x minus 1, and there's no exponent up here, I know that that's a 1, right? So that means that it's going to cross the x-axis at x equals 1. If x minus k is raised to an even power, so if this were even, then the graph touches the x-axis at x equals 1, but it doesn't cross it. That's the first part of 4.5.